This beauty was my childhood, so I had to buy it when I first saw it. Now you don't just get Wrestlefest on here, you get Superstars, which I don't think is as good as Wrestlefest, but it's still a decent game. There's Super Dodgeball, which is quite a nice little game if dodgeball is your kind of thing, and there's the Big Pro Wrestling, which I'm personally not a fan of, but you may have different tastes to me and actually enjoy it, but this one's not for me, I'm afraid. It's got the original audio to the game. You can control the volume level with this switch, and it does go quite loud. It is single player, but I do love that it takes me back to my youth. Now there are a few letdowns that you should be aware of. One is that Sergeant Slaughter isn't in the game, but he was on the original arcade version. Also the Legion of Doom are not on here, so you will be wrestling the game's random selection of 2 characters for the tag team titles. If you have an older version of this unit like I have, then pressing the 2 fire buttons together should make your character run, but they don't on mine. This is a known issue which has been resolved on the new versions of the cabinet, so you shouldn't have this issue anymore, but if you do, then you can download a firmware update. It will mean installing some software onto your PC, taking the back off the unit, and plugging in a micro USB cable into the arcade and the USB into your computer to get the firmware updated. Once you've done that, then pressing these 2 buttons together will make your character run. Just so you are aware, this does come in a number of pieces, so you will need to build it up yourself. It doesn't come pre-built.